Want leads to go to the right team automatically? Here's how to set up lead assignment rules in Zoho CRM. If this helps, tap like and subscribe for more smart CRM tips. From your Zoho CRM dashboard, click the settings icon in the top right. Algorithm under automation, choose assignment rules. Click create rule and select the leads module. Give your rule a name like regional lead assignment. Now add your conditions. For example, if lead source is website, assign to Alice. If country is USA, assign to team A. If industry is education, assign to Bob. You can set multiple rules with different criteria and priority order. Once all conditions and users are added, click Save and Activate. Now, every new lead will be automatically assigned to the right person or team. That's how easy it is to create lead assignment rules in Zoho CRM. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks.